With Method, we're taking our ideas on Monday morning and then seeing what they actually look like on Monday afternoon. Starry is a brand new internet company. We're focused on making the best possible end-to-end internet experience that you could possibly have. First time I saw 3D printing was in 1997. We've used the super low-end stuff that you have to babysit a lot, and we've used the very high-end stuff, and this has been like the sweet spot of it's just gonna work, and it doesn't cost that much.
When I joined Starry, we already had the SLA machine, which ate up so much of my time.
What I love about Method is that it's just simple.
It's just as reliable as a hammer or a marker or a mouse, right? We have an idea and we just say, okay, just go print it.